So what we have here today is a 32-inch White's Hunter bath and dressing room ceiling fan. It's a 3-speed fan, electrically reversible, dated sometime around 1996. Essentially what this fan is a 44-inch coastal breeze or something equivalent, because these things were called hundreds of different names from Hunter over the years, with shorter blades. Same size motor, 153 by 15 or something like that. Same 10.5 degree blade pitch. And very similar capacitor values as well. There's the Hunter tag on top. Had to replace the pull chain switch on this fan because for whatever reason something failed internally on the original one, which only led the fan to work on high and low speed. It just cycled between high and low speed for whatever reason. Didn't even shut the fan off. Didn't even turn on medium. Something went wrong in it. So that one's actually off of a Hunter Infinity, I believe, that I parted out. Which does a job. I mean, it's a nickel-plated chain, so it doesn't really match, but whatever. So I think these things are only available in white finish. They're available in the 90s. And that's all I got for it, so let's go ahead and start it up, see what it does. Before I forget, this fan is flush mounted, obviously. Could be installed on a down route as well. Low speed here. Pretty fast, which to be expected for a small fan. No real bearing noise. I mean, it's a Hunter. Of course, it has a little bit of a hum, but otherwise pretty quiet. Take it to medium. I believe this medium speed here is about the same RPM as the high speed on the 44-inch fans. Doing roughly around 180, 190 RPM. That's just medium. Let's see what high does. Oh yeah, this thing flies. I think specifications for this fan, I believe, show that this thing actually does a 330 RPM high speed, which is fairly accurate. I think it's kind of exaggerated a little bit. I'm sure this thing's definitely doing somewhere around 300. I mean, this thing is freaking hauling the ass. Moves a pretty decent sum of air for its size. Definitely a good performer, especially since the motor is definitely quite overpowered for it. But that's always a good thing. And we'll go and watch it coast. Once it spins down here, we'll start it directly on high speed and end things off. Show you what the high speed startup is like. Yeah, these fans are out there a little bit, but they're definitely a more obscure Hunter from the 90s. I'm going to do a startup directly to high. Takes off rather quickly. Motor's got some harmonics to it when it starts up. Pretty cool fan. And I thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this 32-inch White Hunter bath and dressing room ceiling fan from 1996. So thanks for watching. We'll be seeing you next time. Take care. Peace.